my name is Lexus. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do a weekly vlog. Today is Monday, July 31st, the last day of July. I'm on my way to drop my kids off to school. I already dropped my daughter off. So now I'm dropping my son off. He's in the back. He don't like to be on the camera, but I promise you he's in the back. Today is gonna be a great day. I already said my prayers, I already said my affirmations, and now I'm on my way to drop them off. For breakfast, I'm gonna eat this. I get this from Aldi's, but it's like a s'mores yogurt. You flip it like that, and then you eat it. So good, and it's only 160 calories. I got my spoon and all, so that will be my breakfast. See, boop, boop, boop. I got my water, and yeah, today I started like waking up early, like the usual time from when school started, like actual school starts, so I could get back in the habit of waking up a little bit earlier. And we left at a decent time, so I'm happy about that. So I'm gonna try to do a little bit better tomorrow, because today we left at 8:05. My goal is to leave around like 7:55, 7:50, because my daughter has to be at school at 8 o'clock. And yeah, and then there's traffic and everything, so I have to leave on time. All right, I'm almost to my son's school, so I'll be back. Try adjusting this. This is gonna have to do. Okay, so I just finished dropping off my son. I am now on my way to work. I work 9 to 5. I hope today is a quick, smooth day. I hope it goes by like this, so I can get back home and get situated. I did my hair yesterday night. Yesterday at nighttime, I did my hair. I just did like a little curls or whatever, and hurry up and tied it up. So this morning I didn't have to do much, just freshen it up. I started laundry yesterday. I didn't finish it either. Oh, it's 8:22. So far we're great on time. I have to be at work at 9, so we're good. Look at my phone. It's slowly starting to like move. I don't really have much to do this week except for on Sunday. Monday, today, I'm not really doing much. I'm gonna probably clean up. Oh, I didn't take the meat out. I'm gonna cook today. I need to take that meat out. I'm gonna cook barbecue ribs with some rice and something like a vegetable. I need to take that rib out, so I can stop by my house, because I'm almost by my house. That's what I'm going to do. What else? So yeah, Sunday I have something coming up. I'm taking my daughter to her first swimming lesson, so I'm excited about that. Saturday I'm off this weekend, so I'm ecstatic about that. I don't really have nothing to do during this week, so I might schedule my son's hair appointment. I don't know, we'll see. Everybody just stop. I'm gonna start eating this. I'm almost to my house. One moment. I had to stop by my house to take the ribs out so it could defrost in the meantime. So I'm opening my yogurt now because I'm hungry. So I eat whatever I want. I just track my calories. So this is how it looks. This side is like the Greek yogurt, and then this side is like the s'mores. So I'm gonna like that. Perfect. And then I just mix it in like so, like so. And then it looks like that. It's really good. Hold on. All right. My daughter starts school on the 21st. This week, Friday, the 5th of August, is the last day of summer camp. So, with the other 2 weeks before school, she's going to be going to my son daycare. We know her very well, so she'll watch them for watch my daughter for 2 weeks. Oh, great. Just let me try. Watch my daughter for 2 weeks until school started again. There's traffic. I'm gonna eat my yogurt. Shoot, and I'm gonna be here. It's so good. Come on, cars. I'm going. And then I wanted to get braids in my hair before my trip in September, but I'm only have for like a month. It's okay. Okay. The thing with this yogurt, I only buy like one at a time. I don't know if it's the way Aldi's have it set up, but I wish they have them like in bulk, like 4, 6, 10 of these. That would be perfect. Anyway, I'm on my way to work, so I'll see y'all soon. I might vlog at my job. I probably will see y'all on my lunch break. I'm gonna order something. I don't know what I'm gonna order. I might do like a healthy bowl or an acai bowl, or get order from Just Salad like a buffalo chicken salad, which is really good. When the time comes, then I'll let you know. All right, you guys, see you later. I'll be back when it's lunchtime. Hey, you guys, I am back from my I'm back from work. Actually, I'm going on my lunch break. I have a 1-hour lunch break. It's now 1 o'clock. I had ordered a buffalo chicken sandwich. Wow, a buffalo chicken salad from Just Salad. So I'm gonna pick that up now. It should be ready. Look at my camera just falling. This is what I be talking about. Like, get it together. You're embarrassing me on this platform. I have filled up my cup of water. Simply water. This thing keeps my water cold. I love it. Oh, it's hot. This is the part I hate coming, like driving towards. Everybody's trying to get in one lane. It's be traffic, it be chaotic, people honking. Look at this one. And mind you, there's 2 lanes of the same thing. Everybody honking. It's just a mess. I had to park so far to get a parking spot. I had to park over there. Let me show y'all where the place is at. Walking. Because all the parking spots was gone over here. Still walking. And this is where my food at. Back to my car. Okay, I got my salad. I'm in the car. Babe, oh my goodness. My friend Shakara, shout out to you. You're the reason I'm addicted to this place. Look at the fork. I thought that was so cute. They have it like this. You take these tabs off, and then voila. The place is called Just Salad. Oh my God, it's so good. And they put a good amount of dressings. It's so good. And I have the buffalo chicken salad. Good chicken. All right. Let me enjoy my lunch break. I'll see y'all when I get off work. And just like that, I'm off work. 5:08. All right. So now I am going to pick up my kids. And then I asked hubby, can he bring home a bottle of wine? And then I'm gonna cook dinner. I'm gonna make barbecue ribs by the oven. Oven ribs with yellow rice and like a vegetable or whatever. You see how my camera be trying me? Stay still. Cooperate with me, please. Look at this car. Why are you coming from the side? Oh, God. I'm so, like, tired. I'm going after this black car. Period. Alright, you guys, so I'm on my way to pick up my kids. I have to look at the road because these people drive crazy over here. Like, I'm already stressed. These people just be bobbing and we look. I gotta focus on the road. People driving crazy. Insurance already high. They're trying to make it higher. I'll see y'all later. Alright, you guys, the kids are home. Nyla is saying that her hair is itchy. So I have this spray. Whenever she get her hair done, it's a 50-50 chance that she said her hair is itchy or it's just fine. So I have this spray. I got it from Elegant Beauty. And whenever I spray it, her itchy hair stops. So I just spray. It smells really good. So I just spray the area like that. And I get all in the scalp. Turn. I get all in the scalp.
Don't forget here.
Okay. And it's like a cool, it feels really cold. I let it sit for a little bit. Okay, give me 1 second, Julie. You want to put it on, your hat?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. You know, I'm going to just blur it out because I really have to. So anyway, I spray. Get all the areas. All right, and then I just like rub it in gently.
So it will work.
Excuse me, Nyla.
I'm trying to help too.
And then I rub it like that. Get all in the scalp, the braids, like so.
Yeah.
And I put a generous amount. What? Give me 1 second, Junior. All right. Anywhere else?
Looks like a bump over here.
Maybe because you scratched it.
I did. I will scratch my neck.
On your neck?
Mm-hmm. I will scratch right here sometimes. It hurts.
That probably was irritation or something. Yeah, I mean, you're going to take a shower, so
yeah. All
that's going to be liquid running down. But, all right. You good?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Don't say you're not good.
Yes.
All right. So get ready to go take your shower.
Okay.
All right, Judy, what happened? Come on. Junior is now showing me about his birthday hat, the birthday hat. Okay, the string came out, so now he's like freaking out about the string.
Mommy, it's a way that you can put it.
Can you please go take your shower? I know how to do it.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I don't know how to put a birthday hat thing on.
Did you want, Mommy, after you finish, you could probably wash my clothes.
Why is she telling me how to do things like I don't know how to do things? Are you kidding me? You want it on or no?
Yeah.
There, look in the mirror. Perfect. You guys, so I just got home like 2 minutes ago. So I'm gonna take off these clothes, get in the shower, and then I'll be back. It's 5:48, so I gotta take like a 15 minute shower and then hurry up and clock in before 6 so I can start my next job. All right, you guys, so I'm back from my shower. I am now fresh and clean. I'm gonna grab me a little snack, and then once I get my snack, I'm gonna start working. Y'all, don't judge me, but this is my snack: a Snicker ice cream, 170 calories, and I got this flavor twist Fritos barbecue. That's my snack before I start cooking. I'm gonna cook at 7 o'clock. And then food should be ready around like 8:30ish. I made me a sandwich because I was hungry. I couldn't. So this is this is gonna be my dinner because this met my calorie goal for the day. So it's just turkey breast, bread, mayonnaise, provolone cheese, and honey mustard. Yep, that's my dinner. And then I'm watching Gina, guys, so this is what I'm gonna make for dinner: yellow rice with broccoli and some ribs. I'm gonna do oven. I'm gonna heat this up in the oven first. First, I'm gonna preheat. Actually, I'm not gonna preheat. Make sure it's not. All right, it's time for me to go wash. Hold on, Gina. All right, it's time for me to wash these dishes and. At 10 p.m. Pick them up from their dad. I did yellow rice. I did ribs. I cooked it with the oven. I did barbecue sauce on this one, and then this one I just baked it. You know, because my hubby, he's not a fan of barbecue sauce, but me and the kids like barbecue sauce, so I kind of split it. And then this was the only side I had, so I just did broccoli and seasoned it. All right, y'all. Good night. On to the next day. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. It is 9:54. The kids, not even the kids, Junior been working my nerves. It's time for me to go to bed. Good night. I don't want to go. Should I call out? Oh, I'm tired.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know. You do what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. Get some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. Get some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Oh, you fixed your glasses?
Yeah.
Oh.
Daddy,
That was your dream?
my glasses broken.
Oh. Okay. Keep your head straight.
Oh no. Can't find no shorts.
Take your hands out your mouth.
Oh. Oh. That's can't happen. So that's why I need to push or get the bottom of that. Lift it up.
Hi you guys. So as you can see, we're not in our car, we're walking because my car all of a sudden wanted to have a seizure. Don't we love that? It stopped literally down the street from my daughter's school and it just started shaking really bad. And there was cars coming behind me, and thank God there wasn't honking at me because I would have probably lost my marbles. But the cars was just shaking really bad, and every time I was stepping on the gas it was just shaking even more. So I don't know, I had called my boyfriend obviously because I was like my boyfriend's a mechanic, and I was just like, babe, what is going on? Something's wrong with the car. He's like, it's okay. He's trying to let me be calm because I was already crying at this point. I hate having car problems. Of all things in the world, car problems is like, who wants that type of problem? That thing is aggravating. It stops you from getting things done. Come, let's cross the street. Come on. It stops you from getting things done, and it's really frustrating. I was so emotional earlier about my car, and guess what? I just got approved for a car loan, and I'm gonna buy a car this week. So now I'm waiting for my Uber so they could take me to the bank so I can pick up my check. And then I honestly want to buy a new car now, but I'm gonna wait probably towards the weekend to buy the new car. Yeah, because I need to get things done, and yeah, I honestly want to buy a new car now though. I'm gonna see what's the plan when my hubby gets home so I know what to do. But I hate having car problems, and my man is a mechanic, so he's doing his part, and it's very stressful because he has a busy work schedule, and it's if my car starts acting up, then it throws him off because he got to stop what he's doing and come to me and help me. And, that throws off his, his money and everything. Obviously, he doesn't mind helping me, but at the same time, it's like, damn, when is my car going to stop giving me problems? So enough is enough. And I thank God. I thank God so many times. I was boohoo crying and everything because I'm over this. I will pay that car note on time, early. I don't want no problems. And this car is going to be in great hands. And it's going to last me a long time. It's a car I want and everything. I'm so grateful, so grateful. I'm gonna do a separate vlog with that though. Yeah. I'm just so happy that I'm able to get things. It's like every time I record, I'm always having a car problem. All my videos, I have a car problem. Wow. Yeah, all this did was tell me to stay away from Hyundai. And it's not like I'm not changing the oil. The oil's not doing it in 20 days, you know, for my oil change. I put gas. I don't wait till it gets to E. You know, I always do my maintenance with my man, my tune-up and all that stuff, of course. And I just didn't understand why I'm having such problems. I took it to get all the recalls done. It's a headache. And nobody have time to be having car problems, especially with your kids with you. Like, what? I'm glad I was able to, like, turn and, you know, come towards my house and be safe, you know, make it home safely with my kids. Can you imagine if it was, like, in the middle of the intersection or something and the car act up like that? Like, are you kidding me? Jesus, that stressed me out so bad. But I'm so happy now that I have a car loan. I got approved for a car loan, so I just need to find my car, and then we lit. And that's gonna be on a separate vlog, though. Yeah.
Hey, Shabba. That's nuts, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now, I just begun. I ain't giving out no nutty to no nigga just for fun. Are you done? Other man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. What? I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just like a Prego.
I'm so sorry. I have not been vlogging, but your girl bought a new car, clean, by myself, no cosign. That's all God. And I just want to say thank God for that, because my old car was starting to give me problems. I had to pay for 2 engines and it's still giving me problems, and it's like really annoying. Now my boyfriend was telling me that it's misfiring, and nobody got time for that, especially when I'm with my kids. Like, that's a big safety problem I had with my car. So he said he's gonna fix the problem and then sell it. That day when my car broke down, that was the last straw for me, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna have to just go to the dealership and buy my car brand new. And I did, and I got the car I wanted, and I just want to thank God for that. I'm buying Junior this book bag. I think he's gonna love it. It's not bad, it's really nice. And then I'm gonna buy Maya this book bag for school. Hey you guys, so today is Saturday. I don't know when was the last time I vlogged. Probably when I was buying my new car. But anyway, I just left from Didi's. I'm welcoming you back. Welcome, 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 welcome. I bought this. I'm in my new car. I bought a Toyota Camry. All this time, everyone's telling me, oh, you know, you're pronouncing it wrong. You know how many times I've been saying this wrong? So I'm trying to adjust to saying it the right way. Toyota Camry. Anyway, I went to Didi's. My car has a new car smell. I hate that smell. So I'm gonna put this inside my car. It's like little beads, air freshener crystal beads, and this scent is coconut colada. Coconut colada. It says Clorox. That's what? That's the brand, or does it have Clorox in here? Unscrew the lid and remove the inner seal. Keep out of register. May be harmful to swallow. All right, so I'm gonna put this in my car somewhere, probably over here. Yeah. So I just open it. What's the other scent? And Didi's, I love Didi's. This was for only $3.99. It is raining. This is Hawaiian Escape. I'm gonna do this one. Yeah. So they said to unscrew it. You gotta be okay. Unscrew the lid. All right. Remove this plastic. Remove. That smells good. And put this back on. Yeah. So it's like this. And I'm gonna put it in this area right here. I done pressed on this. There's like so many buttons on this car. I'm still like adjusting. I love my car so much. You don't understand. Anyway, let me tell you what else I got. So, you know, school's about to start in like a few weeks. So I bought my kids book bag. I bought Nyla this book bag. It's like a cute butterflies, rainbows, and it comes with like a pencil case for her crayons, a water bottle. What is this? A lunch bag. That is so cute. And you know, it's super cute. This is what I bought for Nyla. And then this is what I bought for my son, the Spider-Man's book bag. He got a lunch bag and, you know, Spider-Man. So that's cute. My kids are pretty much, I'm almost done buying stuff for my kids. I just need to buy school supplies, which that's nothing, and what else? School supplies and their shoes. I already have their uniform. I bought this inside. It was so cute, like bows for Nyla's hair. It was for $3.99, and I bought some black socks. I needed socks, so I bought them. And this was $4.99. So, and it gives you have 10 pairs. That's not bad at all. Yeah. All right, so now I am going. I spent a total of like 34. No, that was before she. Almost $40, and I got a good amount of stuff for $40. So yeah. Now I am going to Dee Dee's to buy a few things to eat at the house. I might buy their school supplies today. We'll see. I have to clean out their closet first before I do school supplies, so I probably will buy it tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a busy schedule. Maybe I should buy it today. I'm gonna buy it today because tomorrow I have a lot I'm trying to do. So I'm probably gonna clean out their closet today. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it today just to be on the safe side. I'm watching this car back up right in front of me. Oh, it's raining again. Beautiful. So yeah, I had my hair really nice today. I just try, like, I always use a wand curler to curl my hair, and it came out super cute. Super cute. It came out super cute. It's raining even harder. Oh, this rain. Florida weather, terrible. Terrible. It was just hot, sunny, about to burn outside. Sunburn coming a few minutes ago. Now it look like we're in the middle of a hurricane. Ain't that something? This is how people get sick. Look it outside. Come on now. But yeah, I'm on my way to Audi's. I have CarPlay in my car. In my old car, I didn't have this. So I'm really happy about that. Y'all, I'm still adjusting to my car. I pressed the wrong button by accident. I have to plug it in first, then CarPlay will be presented. 1 second. And it's gonna say CarPlay. Or maybe not, because I'm using a phone. Yeah, there it is. Yeah. I like this a lot. I'm gonna have to find a different angle. Well, I guess this is okay. I just don't like how the steering wheel is like right here. It looks so clear. I did my hair really cute. Feeling it. So yeah, I'm going to Aldi's. I'm going to try to spend $50 or less. I'm not trying to go crazy because we don't really need a lot of stuff. We don't really need a lot of stuff at the house, but I just want to freshen it up. Buy some like meats, some seafood in there. Yeah, it'll be good. We already got like a whole bunch of cheese and it'll be fine. I do need to get toothpaste. We're on our last toothpaste. I need to get toothpaste. What else I need? I know we need toothpaste. We already had the dish detergent. I don't know. I write down things when I see they're running low. I write it down on my notes. So I just have to look back on my phone and see, look at the list, what I'm missing from the house. Okay, so I'll pick y'all back up when I'm inside Aldi's. Lexus, please spend $50 or less at this store. Stay within budget, $50 or less. You hear that storm? Sorry. Y'all, I left my quarter in my old car, and the new cars don't come with coins, like a coin slot. So I don't have a quarter to use the card. So now I'm carrying my groceries. I'm about to go to Walmart. I'm not gonna lie, that threw my vibe. I'm going to Walmart. Okay, y'all. I'm going. Why am I carrying an umbrella? It's raining. I'm not using it. I'm going to my car. Ooh, the quality. Oh, now it's raining. Let me get in my car. It's raining. Why did I go out? No, I ain't had no quarters. Got wet. I went in there just to visit. Why would I do that? And it's raining. Going to Walmart. Walmart is literally down the street. Back it up. 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 Oh, y'all. Why? I don't know why I did that. I mean, I knew why I did that, to go the cheaper route, but the quarter thing, I don't have a quarter. I only have card. I don't carry cash with me all the time. I barely carry cash, and when I do, it's to get a money order to pay for my kids' after school program, or if I have to put it towards my savings. I'm doing the 10K challenge savings. That's the only time I have that's the only time I have cash on me. Other than that, I have cards and I just swipe, or Apple Pay. Beep, beep, you know? Which is not good too. Technology took over, and like, that's not inconveniencing myself. I mean, Walmart, that's fine. Walmart is good too. What the hell was that? Somebody just screamed. Let me get the hell out of this area. I'm literally going down the block. I'm gonna show y'all how close it was. Okay, so Aldi's, literally, I just came out of Aldi's, and now we're going to Walmart. Oh, okay. I gotta turn out the other one. We're going inside Walmart. been inside a Walmart in so long. I usually do like a drive and pick up orders. I don't really go inside of Walmart. So this is very different for me. And then one thing, finding parking here. Oh, Lord. The lines. That's the one thing I don't like. This is the oh my, okay. Let's see what we finna do here. Oh, so that's the grocery side I'm trying to park towards, and then the other side is like everything else. Where I'm finna park, when I'm finna park, huh? When I'm finna park, when I'm finna park, where I'm finna park, where I'm finna park, when I'm finna park, when I'm finna park. What is this car doing? I'm gonna turn too, since you're just thinking. This person parked all the way out like that? Okay. This the part I was talking about parking. Oh, there's a parking spot on the other side. Ooh. You think I'll get it? Let's see. Well, I would have went through the parking lot right here. But they got all these. Oh, I'm finna turn right here. Ooh. Oh, let me see if I can get that parking spot. Don't judge me. I seen it. Where did I see it? It was closer. It wasn't that one. Was it this one? I think it was. Do I want to park by the car? I really don't want to park by the cars. I mean, there's carts here. You know what? Let me back up, Lord. Backing up the car. Ooh. You know, my car be telling me to back up, right? Okay, I'm gonna stop here. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Your food will be out shortly.
Okay. Wow. Her customer service is amazing. I need a napkin to clean this. Thank you. Perfect. Got everything. I'm gonna eat my, oh my gosh. This car just speeding. When you see cars speeding, they don't care. Just let them. Let them. Cause they won't be caring. Anyway, I got my cinnamon delights. I eat this on my way home, and then I eat the chicken quesadilla when I get home. Oh wow, it stopped raining. Well, it's slowed down, let me say that. I'm headed to the house where it's safe. That chicken quesadilla smell good. I'm back to square one where I was waiting at the light. So this is how it looks. It's a cinnamon delight. And then you bite, and then it's like cream. So good. Really good. They used to have a 4-pack. I don't know what happened. Now it's 2 or 12. That was good. Oh, I didn't bring my water bottle and I'm thirsty. Oh, you guys, it's 1:11. New beginnings. Let's go. It's like everything's like popping. What? This car just. I don't know what you doing. When I get home, I'm gonna clean up the house. It's not really dirty. I'm just gonna tidy up a little bit, and then I'm going to catch up on some shows. It's 1:12 now. I have to pick up the kids around 5-ish, and then I'll probably watch a movie with them in the living room. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna do. I have little kids on me. All right, y'all. I'll see you when I get home. I'm gonna focus on the road because people driving crazy right now. Okay, y'all. I just got home. I changed into my home clothes. Look at my slippers. Hold on. Let me just flip the camera. Oh, I can't. You know what? I changed into this dress. I have put my headband on. Put my hair in a little bun. Call it a day. Now I'm putting this stuff away. I'm probably gonna take a nap and watch TV, chill out for a little bit, and then go get the kids. Tomorrow I'm gonna end the vlog. Tomorrow Nyla's going to take her first swimming lessons class, whatever. So I'm gonna end the vlog tomorrow. I'm gonna start editing today so I have so much to do tomorrow. I was about to take my nap, but then I got a notification saying that my scent box sample came. So I'm gonna show you guys what sample I got today. This is the name of the scent right here. All right, so this is how the box is. I left my tripod somewhere. They come in different colors, and then this is what it says. And then you twist and it slides up like that. So I'm gonna smell it. I'm gonna just spray it on me. It's not terrible. It reminds me of something. It smells really good. It smells really good now. Okay, I'm getting sleepy, y'all. It smells really good. Scent box. Sponsor your girl. All right. It smells really good, though. It reminds me of something. I don't want to say it, but it smells really good. All right. I'm going to talk to y'all after my nap. Good morning. We are now heading to Nyla's swim school. I am so excited. This is our first time going. They told us to get there a little bit earlier because this was our first time. They're gonna give us like a little tour, tell us about their rules, policy, blah blah blah. They probably need to fill out some form, etc. I'm just so excited. Are you excited, Nyla?
Yeah.
All right.
So good.
Yeah, I'm excited. My girl finna know how to swim this year. You finna know how to swim, then junior, and then I am next.
You're third.
My man knows how to swim already. So it's just me and Nyla today. Oh, well, for right now. And then Junior is with his dad. So they're going to be hanging out. They might be going to the pool too. You'll see. Yeah. Girls, boys. Update. This do not work. Like, it does not work. I do not smell anything. So I only smell it if I like put it towards the air vent. But it does not work. It looks very pretty. That's how they get you. So I'm gonna just put it like in the kids' room or the bathroom or something like that, and then buy an actual car air freshener. This light takes so long. Put low.
Green light. Green light, mommy.
I can't go to the people in the front of me. Go. You want me to just drive this car and into them?
No.
This car
Skip
speed. Skip them.
Yes, with red light, if they don't go, just skip them.
Oh.
Well, we won't get in trouble.
Oh. Child. Nyla,
Huh?
you. Is that how you gonna be when you're driving?
No.
So you want me to do it, but that's not.
Yes.
Oh, that's crazy. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I will not.
Why?
Because there's no point. You just wait for the light to turn green. Wait for the other people to go. That's it. That's it. It's so simple. What's going on with my GPS? Hello. All right, yeah. I'm finna focus on the road. My GPS just froze on me. That was crazy. So I'll talk to y'all later.